What's up guys, West Coast Picks here, and today I'm going to pick on this WR 6-pin padlock core. This is one of the locks I was given by my locksmith buddy there. Didn't have a key, and I've since picked it open and repinned it to 6-pin. It's on a 5-pin key, but there are 6 pins in there that you can see, and I gave it a fairly decent bidding. But even though, and security pins. But even though all that, these are still really easy to get into, these WRs. So I'm actually going to make the difficulty even harder, and I'm going to pick this thing single-handed. So one hand picking. Just going to set it up here. This is just a rubber band I use for my hippie hair. And let's give it a shot. That was 1, 5, 6. A little bit out of 5. Again, I guess it's a spool, yeah. Oh, there we go. She's open. So, you notice there's some security pinnage in there. Open up quickly. See what I put in there. I don't remember what I put in there, so just going to lock it up and do this little spin trick. Man, I love this thing. It's probably going to wear out because it's only resin, but they are handy as hell. Alright. Key in. Pour out. See all 6 pins all in play. These are all standard on the bottom, remember that. I didn't pin this up as a challenge lock or anything, I just threw a bunch of pins in it, keyed it up to this key. But wanted to put some security pins in it because I got a bunch lying around. 1 is a standard, 2 is a mushroom pin, 3 is a spool, 4 is a spool, 5 is another mushroom, and 6 is an ASA type pin, which is probably why I had to set them a couple times. They like to drop. Anyway guys, that's the one-handed WR Padlock Core pick. Lots of fun. Now I know if I break a hand or something like that, an elastic band and somewhere to tie it off, I could probably get into it. Alright guys, later.